Hey everyone, welcome back to Julian's Art Play. Thank you for joining me and thank you very much to the new subscribers. I'm not happy with any of the intros I've done for this painting. I really don't know why. So all I'm going to say is stay to the end because it's beautiful. Hope you enjoy.
Wait a minute, my world is spinning. There is something I need to know. We've been vibing, drank the wine, and now you say that you need to go. Oh, but I know love when I see it. Oh, but I don't know if you wanna feel it. But you don't have to go home, you can stay tonight. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Put your heels by the door, turn off the lights. Just stay tonight. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Babe, we're glowing on the floor and rolling, laughing till we're close to tears. You touch my hands like we're more than friends. You swear it's just the atmosphere. Oh, but I know love when I see it. Oh, but I don't know if you wanna feel it. But you don't have to go home, you can stay tonight. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Put your heels by the door, turn off the lights. Just stay tonight. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Stay, oh, stay tonight, stay tonight. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind. If you stay tonight, we can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. If you're stuck inside tomorrow, scared by what you can't see, if your heart is full of sorrow and you don't know where you need to be, I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling bee. Let's take a little while and tell me what you need. It's okay to let go now. I'll take the lead. I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. No, I don't think you're crazy. You're just trying to do it right. You are the light inside our home. You made me dance without a song, sweet darling me. When you're done with playing nice and you need some center of your soul. Go on and take me by the hand, sweet darling bee. Let's be a little crazy. Let's try to make it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me smile without a joke, sweet darling me.
I've loved this painting ever since I did it. It was a challenge, and I actually ended up using my fingers to blend in at the back. I learned things from it, and I actually managed to get down onto canvas what I had in my head. In fact, it's way better than I'd thought up originally. And as I was looking at it this morning, I could see a face in it. And I realised I needed to call it Fragmented. See, my father's just been diagnosed with vascular dementia. And bit by bit, he'll fragment. It's a journey I'm familiar with. It happened to my mother. And I know that it's going to be difficult. My father right now wants to stay independent, and because he has such a strong routine, daily routine, he gets up at the same time, he eats the same thing for breakfast, he takes the dog for a walk at the same time. The routine, his daily routines, are going to help him to stay independent for a little bit longer. Sometimes I'm going to be a little bit late putting up a video. Sometimes I'm going to miss a video altogether. The YouTube algorithm will be unforgiving. But I hope if I am late, or I simply don't turn up, you will be forgiving and you will understand. It's simply because someone else needs me.
Mama, won't you hold me like you hold on to beliefs? Like the world is against you and I'm the only one you need. Dad, why don't you tell me that you love me for who I am? I know you had it rough, so I don't know if you can. Can't you see you're hurting me inside? I feel like I've gotta run, but there's nowhere to hide. But it doesn't matter how many times you're trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. You can punch a concrete wall, you can scream, you can do it all. I am gone. I'm done with being more than I possibly can. You couldn't raise a little boy, now I'm an uncompleted man. Can't you see that's hurting me inside? I feel like I've gotta run, but there's nowhere to hide. But it doesn't matter how many times trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. Come banging on my door, I won't answer anymore. No, I am gone. I dream that you're holding me until I ask you to stop. Maybe your arms will touch and I'll be in the center of love. But just like any other day, I can already hear you say you don't love us enough. But it doesn't matter how many times you're trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. You can try to keep control or make me break your fall.